In this video, I'm going to show you a Copper CRM tutorial, the customer relationship management tool specifically designed to integrate seamlessly with Google Workspace. If you're looking for a CRM that works hand in hand with tools like Gmail, Google Calendar, and Google Drive, Copper is an excellent choice. It's ideal for small to medium businesses and teams who want an intuitive and straightforward solution to managing leads, tracking sales, and enhancing customer relationships. In this video, we'll explore what Copper CRM is, its benefits, key features, and how to get started in 2024 to improve your customer management and sales processes. But before we get started, what is Copper CRM? Copper CRM is a cloud based customer relationship management software known for its deep integration with Google Workspace. Unlike other CRMs that require users to switch between platforms, Copper lets you manage customer data, track communication, and monitor deals directly within familiar Google tools like Gmail. Built for simplicity, Copper CRM eliminates the complexity often associated with traditional CRMs, making it perfect for teams who prioritize ease of use and efficiency. So now what you want to do is simply head over to Copper CRM's website. And from here, you can try Copper for free. So now after signing up for an account, you will now be redirected to this page. So as you can see, tell us what you hope Copper can help with. So we want to select all that apply. So let's say manage sales pipelines, organizing key relationships, business reporting. So click on next. So what's your company's name? It's here. How big is your company? Let's select 2 to 5. This is your first CRM. So let's say yes, this is our first CRM. I'll click on next. And what is our industry? So let's say real estate. Click on next. So now you live in Google Workspace. Now let's just click on start using Copper. And as you can see right now, this is how our dashboard will look like. So let's go to feed. So this is our feed. This is what our dashboard will look like. So these are all of, you will see all of your activities right here in the last 30 days. But in this case, it is blank because we haven't started any activities yet. As you can see, we will see our email activities, our form activities, meeting activities, and all this stuff. Next is we have the people section. So from here, we can add people or simply our contacts. So from here, let's click on add a person or add a contact. So from here, just fill up all of this information, such as the full name, company, title, contact type, their email, work phone, address. So these are all of the persons or contacts in your Copper CRM. Also, if you don't want to add it manually, we can always import our contacts using these files. So we can use CSV files, Excel files, Google Contacts, iCloud, Google Sheets, and all that. So next, we want to go to companies. So from here, we can add companies. You can see, just fill up all of this information again, such as the name, work phone, primary contact, the email domain, LinkedIn, if it's available, the address, description, and after filling this up, just click on save. Next, we have the pipelines. So from here, we can create a pipeline. As you can see, when creating a pipeline, what's good about Copper CRM is that they already have a bunch of different pre-made templates. So let's say you want to create a sales pipeline. So let's click here on sales, click on use template. So let's just name it as sales, click on next. Let's say project, click on next. These are the stages. So let's just leave it as it is. Click on create. And Copper will now create your sales pipeline for you. And as you can see right now, this is the pipeline or our sales pipeline. Now we can add a new project. So let's just say project one on save. And as you can see, for project one, it's still in the qualified opportunity. From here, you can work on this. So when this is done, we can always move it to presentation, to proposal sent, to negotiation. And of course, all of your team members will be able to see this. So basically, this is how your collaboration will look like in the pipelines. Next is tasks. From here, you can create your tasks. So tasks are individual actions assigned to you or your team. So click on add task. From here, you can simply add the name, owner, priority. So let's say this task is high priority. We can set it to high. You can add the task description and simply click on save. So let's say task one. And as you can see, we have the task right here. So activity type is a phone call on by you related to. You can also set the due date and set the tags too. And from here, you can see the completed task, email reminders, your open tasks, and all that. Next is automation. So from here, you can always create email automations, workflow automations, or task automation. Next is your tracked emails. Uh, Copper can track when people open emails you send them. So to access this, you need to install the Chrome extension and check the track email box in the Gmail Compose window to start tracking email opens. So if you want to learn more about this, just click here to learn more. And uh, Copper will help you track emails. Next is forms. So from here, you can create your contact form. So let's say create form. Basically, you can turn website visitors into Copper contacts with an easy to use, easy to install online form. So you can create multiple forms to segment customers, manage job candidates separately from prospects, or tailor calls to action to specific audiences. So I won't be creating the form in this video, so just feel free to explore this feature and check it out. Next is custom reports. So from here, you can request access. So you'll see custom reports of Copper. As you can see, custom reports require Copper's business plan. So you can just request access or simply avail the business plan. And last is our settings. So from here, just feel free to explore more about the settings. And lastly is invite new users as your team members. So basically, that is all of the features of Copper CRM. So just feel free to explore more of Copper's features, and in no time, you will now be able to use Copper CRM for your own or your team and for your business needs. So that's basically it for this video. So if you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.